The Flex Clip is the best holiday light clip. Made of durable plastic, it's designed to withstand the wear and tear of installation, takedown, and harsh weather. Simply just insert the Flex Clip in between the wire and bulb or slide it over the bulb itself. Once assembled, the Flex Clip stays attached to the light socket and can be easily stored for next season. The installation process couldn't be easier. With the Flex Clip, you just slide it underneath your shingles or pop it right onto the gutter. Once the season is over, disassembly is simple. Just pull your string lights off the roof line and they'll remain attached to the Flex Clip. Stop wasting your money on cheap holiday light clips that need replaced year by year. Make the switch and get the Flex Clip.